In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Udemy platform efficiently, ensuring you can access all the fantastic educational content it has to offer. To start off, you'll want to pull up your favorite web browser. Once you have it open, navigate to the Google search page. This is the easiest way to get to Udemy quickly if you don't have the URL saved or memorized. In the search bar, simply type Udemy and hit enter. The first result is typically the official Udemy webpage. Click on that link and you'll be directed straight to Udemy's homepage. Now that you're on the homepage, it's time to get you logged into your account. You'll want to look towards the top right corner of the screen for the login button. This is your gateway to accessing your existing courses and exploring new educational horizons. Click on it to proceed. You'll be taken to the login page where you need to input your email address. Make sure you're using the same email address you used when you originally signed up for Udemy. Once you've inputted your email, you'll see the Continue button. Give that a click. Now comes the part where security is key, your password. Enter your password carefully to avoid any hiccups. If you're having trouble remembering it, Udemy offers an option to reset it, which is handy if you find yourself locked out. After you have your password in place, click on the Login button. At this point, Udemy will verify your credentials and, if everything matches, welcome you back to your educational home. A little tip here. If you find that you're using a shared computer, or if you're just super conscious about online safety, make sure to log out after you're done with your browsing session. You can usually find a Log Out link in the menu that appears when you click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the page. Once you're inside, you'll have a world of courses at your fingertips. Whether you're seeking to learn a new skill, advance your career, or simply explore a passion, Udemy has a course that is likely tailored for your needs. You can use the search bar at the top of the page to find specific courses or browse through their categories to find something new and exciting. Remember, once you're logged in, the platform offers personalized course recommendations based on your learning history, which can be incredibly useful in discovering new content. Feel free to explore these options. You never know what new interests you might stumble upon along the way. And that's your brief walkthrough of getting logged into Udemy. Simple, streamlined, and ready for you to embark on your learning journey. Thank you for joining today, and happy learning.